Honda celebrated their 35th anniversary with plenty of fanfare and with the launch of the all-new Honda HRN216 series of lawnmowers. Honda rebuilt this mower from the ground up to replace their most popular line of consumer mowers. The only question remaining is, will it be even better? The biggest difference for the Honda HRN216 is, notably, the motor. This is a completely rebuilt GCV 170 engine. It reduces 106 parts down to just 39. It's easier to service, has better fuel efficiency, 9% higher power, and 18% more torque than the GCV 160 it replaces. To put into perspective just how big a deal this is, it's like Honda replacing their Civic with an all-new model. They sell around 300,000 Civics and HRR216s every year. This new series features an all-metal transmission, something that's uncommon for this class of lawnmower. Because Honda manufactures both the engine and the transmission, it's also specifically designed to work together. Now, it's still a residential engine, just a more powerful one. Here are a few of the smaller changes that make a difference. At the top of the list is a 60% larger diameter fuel spout for easier refueling. The oil fill was moved higher and closer to the crankcase, and you can now have completely tool-free air filter access, and that's just the beginning. The HRN216 series comes with Honda's twin-blade design, making it more effective at mulching. When you bag, the clippings will be smaller, so you're stopping to empty less often. They also increase the chute diameter, making it less likely to clog. In Honda's internal testing, the new design made a fast 5-inch cut 131 feet long. That's more than double the distance the HRR216 made before clogging. We were set to do some high-quality cutting in Honda Power Equipment's backyard when a thunderstorm interrupted us. But we did get to cut for about 15 minutes. Let's just say it's pretty impressive in wet grass and should perform really well on a regular maintenance cut. If you're familiar with Honda's commercial mowers, the 3-in-1 clip director makes its way over to this new line. It lets you close off the exit airflow for mulching. A side-by-side look at the HRR and the HRN216 shows that Honda is going after a sleeker, sexier design. It's certainly an improvement over the previously utilitarian look. For height adjustment, the design team went with a 2-point design. One lever on the front axle, a second on the rear. This helps the 21-inch steel deck stay rigid and resist torsion. There are 7 height adjustment levels from 1 inch to 4 inches, and the height markings use a high contrast white on black so you can see them more clearly. When bagging, you can actually tilt the front end up a notch and collect more effectively than when all wheels are level. For the self-propelled models, there's a big change in the drive operation. The Smart Drive push bar under the main handle lets you feather your speed from 0 to 4 miles per hour. It's broad enough to easily use with your thumb so your other fingers can keep the safety bar engaged. Another upgrade that was immediately apparent was the 2-way ratchet on the drive. When you release the drive bar, a key in the drive allows the rear wheels to freewheel in forward and reverse. I'd be remiss if I didn't point out Honda's USA-based manufacturing. While not every part is made here, most of the engine and the mower parts are. They're manufactured in the Swepsonville, North Carolina facility we visited. The entire mower is assembled at that plant, the very same place where it was designed. Honda's HRN line is set to include 4 models, and it's expected to see limited distribution starting in September with a bigger push to retailers this winter. Here's a list of shared specifications among all HRN models. If you're looking for the benefits of the 216's redesign without the self-propelled drive, go with the PKA version. The VKA version is the most basic self-propelled model. It uses a recoil start with the rear-wheel drive smart system. The VLA has a keyed electric start that's mounted on the handle. It's right about where you'd see many self-propelled speed adjusters on other mowers. Finally, the VYA is the top of the HRN216 line. It includes RotoStop, a feature we see on the HRX that lets it stop the blade without stopping the engine. It's helpful for times that you need to move a stick out of the way, empty the bag, or, prod a stubborn alligator back into the lake. Yeah, it happens. The big deal is it saves you from having to restart the mower after every interruption. Unfortunately, we're still waiting on official pricing. As soon as we get that, or any other new information, we'll update the video description and the article on our website, so be sure to check that out. But for now, we know the first units are going to arrive in September, with a majority of retailers being stocked up by winter. Hey, help us out by subscribing to the channel below, and tap that bell to get notified when we post new tool reviews and shootouts. And as always, thanks for watching.